Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hitisha here. I have been practicing interior designing for last 5 years now. With my firm Inside Illusion, I will be sharing my experience and few tips and tricks with you all. Today in this video we will talk about styling. So what is styling, what's its importance and what are the types of styling. So we will talk about that. So let's start with it. Interior styling. What is interior styling? Interior styling involves enhancing the aesthetic and functionality of a room or space without altering its core structure. It's the role of an interior stylist to plan and execute any additional subtraction or collation involved in the styling of an interior. Now we will talk about importance of styling. Styling is the process of bringing in the last layer of the designing. The art, accessories, books, blankets, etc. that make a space feel complete and cozy. If the process of interior design is like a play, then the styling is a final act. Now we will talk about what are the principles of style. This is particularly true regarding the 7 principles of interior design: balance, unity, rhythm, emphasis, contrast, scale and proportion and details. These standards are been created to help accomplish harmonious interiors that convey character. Now we will go with its detail. So now first we'll start with balance. What is balance? Balance is how the elements within a composition are arranged either symmetrically or asymmetrically or radially to create the impression of equality in weight and or important. Unity. Unsurprisingly, unity combines all your interior design elements to unify rather than alienate your space. You could achieve unity in interior designing through material choice, furniture sizes, or even by creating harmony with the shapes you select. It's all about creating a common theme or a design. Scale. This is an easy one. How big or small something is, scale affects how something is balanced. The phrase bigger is always better is not always the case in design. Sometimes tiny elements can call attention just as effectively as something larger. It's the message you are trying to convey with the design. Contrast. One of the most powerful of the 7 principles of interior design is contrast. Whether it's a shape, material or texture, you have a large variety of media to play with in terms of developing this unique principle. For example, light against dark, rough against smooth, or pairing something significant with something relatively minor. To get to grip with using contrast in your interior design, select a bold color and pair it with shades of another on the opposite side of the color wheel. Pattern is the repetition of specific visual elements such as a single unit or multiple unit of forms. Patterns can be used to create balanced, organized surface of a consistent manner or create contrast. An example of this are departmental store floor tiles. While they serve as decorating, they have another purpose. They lead the customers throughout the store. Movement and rhythm. Movement is how the eye moves throughout the composition, leading the attention from one aspect to another. This can be achieved by using repeating or alternating elements or patterns. How often something repeats and the intensity of its contrast create rhythm. Emphasis. This is when a specific element is given to a distinguishing features to separate it from a certain element or group. This can be achieved through other principles such as contrast, movement, scale or balance. Now next we will talk about different types of styling in interior designing. So different types are traditional style, modern style, contemporary style, industrial style, farmhouse style, boho style, Japanese style, art deco style, etc. And there are many more. And all this styling detail are given in my video. So I will just place a link in description box so you can just find out. Hope you guys like this video. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.